Dear all, this lecture deals with how we can install the software Matlab from Mathworks site using our MBCT mail ID. Okay, so the basic requirement of installing and accessing the Matlab from Mathworks site is creating a Mathworks account by using your MBCT ID. Since our campus is providing infinite user license for Matlab software, you can directly create a Mathworks account using your MBCT ID. So for that, first of all, go to Google search and type Mathworks account. Then you will be getting a link for Mathworks account sign in. Select the link. You will be directed to the Mathworks account page. Here you are going to create one mail ID. So select create one. You will be getting a page like this. Here you need to type your MBCT ID. For demonstrating, I am giving my MBCT ID here. So MBCT ID means ID with extension mbct.ac.in. Okay. After that, you need to select your role as student. Since this ID, that means your ID corresponding to a student ID, here you have to select it as student and click select yes and click on create. Then what is happening is that Mathworks people will be sending you one mail indicating your registration details, and in that particular mail you will be getting a link corresponding to the registration. You have to select that link and complete the registration process. After the process, you will be your ID will be created in Mathworks site. Okay. After that particular step, you need to go to Mathworks sign in page, and here you have to give your username as your MBCT ID and click on next. Then you will be asked to enter your password, enter it and sign in. Okay, then you will be redirected to your inbox. You will be seeing the same inbox there. There also you can find the license number as 40641597. This is our Matlab campus license, and you will be getting a provision for accessing your drive. Matlab drive means it is a cloud space that is allotted by Mathworks for saving your programs if you are doing it online or by using the mobile. So using this license number, you have three provisions. First thing is, either you can download and install Mathworks in your PC or laptop. That is one provision. Second provision is you can use Matlab online. That means you are doing your programs and saving your program online, and the programs that are saved will be directly moved to this particular Matlab drive. And third provision is you can download and install the software in your Android phone. Okay, so either opt for any of these three options. Either you can install it in your PC or laptop, or you can use on Matlab online, or you can use the Matlab for mobile app. Okay, so first of all, I am demonstrating how you can download and install the software in your laptop or desktop. So for that, go to license link. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. Here you have the manage product option, install and activate option, and contact administrator. So in manage product option, you can see the products available in the campus license. So here so many toolboxes are available along with your main software Matlab and the Simulink. Okay. Then go to install and activate option. Here you are getting steps for installing and activating the Matlab software on a computer. Computer means laptop or desktop. Okay. So first step is you have to download the installer, and second step is after downloading the installer, you need to install that particular software using the executable file that you are getting, and after installation you have to activate the software. Okay. So first of all, select download installer. Then you will be getting a list of software versions available in Mathworks site or available in the MBCT campus license. Okay, so these are older versions, and the most latest version is R2020A. So remember, if you are installing versions from R2018A to R2020A, your RAM space will be minimum 4 GB. Okay, so minimum 4 GB RAM is required for installing versions above R2018A. That you have to make sure. So after selecting the version, you need to select the downloader. So if you are clicking on this, then automatically the software get downloaded in your system. So remember one more thing, the downloading step will take minimum half an hour to maximum hours. So try to do this particular installation during night time. Okay, so first of all you need to download this, then the executable file will be downloaded in your system. Then select that particular executable file and install the software. Installation will also take minimum half an hour, and after installing that particular software in your system, you are getting a particular window that is asking for activate the software. Okay, so click on that activate link, and you will be asking to log into your Mathworks account, and select the license file from the link provided. Okay, so license file is a .dat file. .dat means .dat file, and using the .dat file you can activate your software. After activation you can do your programming part. Okay, so that is these are the steps for downloading and installing the software Matlab in your PC or laptop. Okay, the second provision is you have a Matlab online site. So Google search for Matlab online, you will be getting the online provision. So here you need to log in via your Mathworks account. So I have already logged in to my Mathworks account, and here select start using Matlab online. Okay, after selecting that, you will be getting a page like this. This is an actual view of the installed software. Okay, that means the Matlab online, that means this view. You will be getting the same view in your laptop or PC if you are opening the Matlab software in that particular PC. So here I have installed Matlab R2019B in my system. So if I am double clicking this, the software will get opened, and that is having the same view as this. Okay, so here you can write your programs and save, and those programs will be directly saved to my accounts drive, Mathworks account drive. So if I am taking my account, you will be seeing the drive here. So if I am opening my drive, some programs are here. So these are the programs that I have done using online mode or by using the Android mobile app version. Okay, so this is how Matlab online is working. Simply you can select Matlab online site and do. This will work in laptop as well as Android phone if the net connectivity is good. Okay, so now another version is, go to Google search and select Matlab for mobile. So this is an app. So this app is actually available in your Play Store. So remember one thing, if you have set your work profile in your Android phone, inside the work profile you will be getting a Play Store. From that Play Store you need to select this app Matlab for mobile and install it. So after installing the Matlab in your work profile, Matlab icon will be appeared inside the work profile, and double click on that. Then again you will be getting the same view. An editor will be opened, and there you can write your programs and save. Okay, those programs will also get saved to your Matlab drive. So this is how the Matlab software is installed in your PC, phone, or you can use it online. Okay, thank you.